so depending on your understanding of conjunction, let us play a quiz. Okay, it's all about the quiz session to get to know that whether you have understood what is conjunction, and depending on the definition of conjunction, in which category you are going to place the word. Okay, so let us play this quiz session and with me. Okay, question number one, what is written over here? Let me proceed. I was ill dash, I did not go to work. So it's talking about, the first part of the sentence is talking about my illness. So if I am ill, definitely I cannot do any kind of work. Correct? Second part, I did not go to work. मैं काम करने नहीं गया हूँ. So of course, illness होने के चलते हुए मुझे काम नहीं करना है, मैं नहीं गया हूँ वहाँ पे काम करने. Perfect. So if we go through the option, you will find so, because, as, or. Because is expressing the reason. So its reason is already mentioned over here. So it's talking about the outcome. Okay, I was ill, so I did not go to work. मैं बीमार हूँ, इसीलिए मैं काम में नहीं गया हूँ. So here the correct option is going to be so, not because, as once again indicates the reason. Okay, but we are not talking about the reason over here in this particular question. We are talking about the outcome. इसलिए, correct, and or completely irrelevant to this particular question. So the correct answer is obviously option A, that is so. Okay, let us move to the next question. Number 2. You should get your license renewed at once. आपका जो लाइसेंस है आपको बहुत जल्दी रिन्यूड करना है. करेक्ट? डैश पे फाइन, नहीं तो आपको फाइन देना पड़ेगा. हियर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट अ सर्टेन एक्शन टू बी परफॉर्म्ड ऑन एन अर्जेंट बेसिस, अदरवाइज you should be ready to pay the fine. Okay, moving through the option, you will find that in first option it is written or, second nor, next but, and last do. So here you have, in this particular sentence, the choice has been mentioned over here. आपके पास दो चॉइस दिया गया, इधर आप लाइसेंस को रिन्यू करो और नहीं तो आपको फाइन देना पड़ेगा, फाइन पे करना पड़ेगा. करेक्ट? सो मोस्ट एप्ट विल बी और, बिकॉज इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द चॉइस. चॉइस के केस में हम लोग और का यूज करते हैं, एंड दैट इज टू बी यूज्ड एज अ कंजंक्शन ओवर देयर, एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर ब्लैंक इट इज गोइंग टू fill it. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Moving to question number 3. At the very beginning, the blank is there. There is no demand for this type of book. कोई ऐसा डिमांड नहीं है इस टाइप का बुक के लिए. I cannot place an order. हम कोई ऑर्डर को प्लेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. So basically you are trying to indicate the reason. आप सेकेंड पार्ट को अगर देखोगे, इट इज रिटन दैट आई कैनॉट प्लेस एन ऑर्डर. ऑर्डर को हम प्लेस नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो क्यों आप प्लेस नहीं कर सकते हैं? वेरी सिंपल, प्लेस आप इसलिए नहीं कर सकते हैं क्योंकि मार्केट में उस बुक का डिमांड नहीं है. सो बेसिकली यू आर ट्राइंग टू हिंट इट आउट द रीजन, एंड इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रीजन, it can be since, it can be as. In the first option it is written since, in the second option it is written as, third option it is written either, could be used here, and last option it is written and. Now I have already told you, as you are ready to identify, as you are ready to hint it out the reason, that's why it can be either since, it can be or as. If you go through the option, you will find in option C it is written either could be used over here. Either could be used मतलब since भी हो सकता है, as भी हो सकता है. So option C is the perfect option for this particular question. Okay, moving to number 4. I am very tired. I have been working all day. मैं बहुत टायर्ड हूं, पूरा दिन भर हम काम कर रहा हूं, मैं काम कर रहा हूं. करेक्ट? तो आप टायर्ड क्यों हो? बेसिकली वंस अगेन यू आर सर्चिंग फॉर द रीजन, या आप ये भी बता सकते हैं कि आउटकम, आई एम टायर्ड सो आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑल द डे. ये करेक्ट है? बिल्कुल नहीं. इट इज नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द आउटकम, इट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द रीजन. आई एम वेरी टायर्ड बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑल द डे. तो क्योंकि आप टायर्ड क्यों हो, इस रीजन का रीजन खोजना पड़ेगा ना, यहाँ कारण खोजना पड़ेगा. आप टायर्ड क्यों हो? क्योंकि आप नेक्स्ट पार्ट में दिया हुआ है इसका आंसर, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑल द डे. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज अनडाउटेडली गोइंग टू बी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी टायर्ड बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग ऑल द डे. दिन भर काम करने की वजह से वो थक गया है. Correct? Moving to question number 5. We will get there. Then blank is there. You do. हम लोगों के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है. हम लोगों को किसी एक पर्टिकुलर जगह पे पहुंचना है. जैसे कि आप भी पहुंचते हो. सो यहाँ पे we will get there sooner you do. No, not at all. Option B. We will get there as soon as you do. जितना जल्दी हो सके आप वहाँ पहुँच सकते हो. नेक्स्ट में ऑप्शन सी as soon than is completely wrong combination of words or group of words. Correct? So C will be eliminated at the very beginning. A will also be eliminated because it doesn't make any sense over here. Now D, it is written either or. So where are the two options? Without having two different kind of things, how could you imply the sense of choice over here, either or? So it should not be A, it should not be D, it cannot be C. So the correct answer is obvious choice, that is going to be option B, as soon as you do. Moving to question number 6. I am not angry. Then blank is there. Anything I feel a little surprised. So what it should be? First part of the sentence it is written I am not angry. आपका इमोशन के, मेरे पर्सनल इमोशन के बारे में बताया जा रहा है. आई एम नॉट एंग्री, हम गुस्सा नहीं हैं. सो एनीथिंग आई फील अ लिटिल सरप्राइज्ड. ऐसा अगर कुछ हुआ तो हम सरप्राइज्ड हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, तो दो डिफरेंट इमोशन के बारे में यहाँ पे बात किया जा रहा है. नाउ यू डिसाइड व्हाट इट शुड बी. What is it? If indicates the condition. I am not angry. If anything, I feel a little surprised. अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो हम बहुत surprised हो जाएंगे. Unless, यदि ना, anything I feel a little surprised. It doesn't make any sense over here. I am not angry. I am not angry. Whether anything I feel a little surprised. It is not fitting in that gap. I am not angry and anything I feel a little surprised. Is it, does it make any sense over here? Now this question I am asking all of you, that you are the people who are going to decide in which category you are going to place it out. Okay, most of the questions will be answered by me, but this particular question I am throwing at you. You think it out, and on the understanding of your logic, you are going to decide that in which what should be the correct option over here. Number 7. Andy plays the violin well. Dash, the trumpet is his favorite instrument. Now we are talking about a particular person. His name is Andy. Okay, now two musical instruments are mentioned over here. First one violin and second one trumpet. तो दोनों इंस्ट्रूमेंट के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है और एंडी का उस म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट को बजाने की बात हो रही है. परफेक्ट. सेकेंड पार्ट को अगर हम लोग ध्यान दें, यहां लिखा हुआ है कि हिज फेवरेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट का नाम है ट्रम्पेट. ओके, और फर्स्ट पार्ट में लिखा हुआ है कि वायलिन वो बजाते हैं. करेक्ट. तो जो जिनका फेवरेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट ट्रम्पेट हो, क्या वो वायलिन की तरफ मूव करेंगे? ऑफ कोर्स नॉट. सो हियर वी आर, द टू डिफरेंट आइडियाज आर कंट्रोडिक्टिंग टू ईच अदर. व्हेन देयर इज कंट्रडिक्शन वी आर सपोज टू यूज but. Going through the option, the first option it is written so, it should not be there. Second, but, it refers to the contradiction. Third, yet, this is completely irrelevant from the context. And last one, or तो होगा ही नहीं. So you are pretty sure that what the correct answer should be. Okay, definitely but is revolving around your head because it refers to contradiction. Okay, so this is the answer. Moving to question number 8. The bus stopped, then blank, the man got off. एक बस के बारे में बात किया जा रहा है. The bus stopped, बस ने रुकी, और the man got off, और उसके बाद वो आदमी वहां से उतर के निकल गए. Correct. So first option it is written and, second one but, third one or, and fourth option is given yet. अब two different kind of incidents are mentioned over here. One action followed by other. The bus stopped, and after that the man got down and actually he got off. Okay, fine. So if you are adding two different kind of incidents with the help of a conjunction, it should be and in this first option, option A, it is written and. Okay, moving to question number 9. I have a lot of homework to do now. I cannot go to the cinema with you. Now the first part, It is explicitly stating the reason. आपके पास बहुत सारा होमवर्क है, इसीलिए हम सिनेमा देखने आपके साथ नहीं जा सकते हैं. तो first part is talking about the reason, so the second part invariably it should be talking about the outcome or the result. Okay, so here you have to find out such an option which indicates directly to the results. Okay, and going through the option I am finding, first option it is written and, two different kind of incident, no it is absolutely irrelevant. Second one but तभी हो सकता है जब contradicting nature के हो. Next one, so it is supporting the first statement and is used as an outcome, so definitely it should be so I cannot go to the cinema with you because it is indicating the result or the outcome. That's why so will be the correct answer. The last question of this quiz session, that is question number 10. Is it a new house, an old house? Here we are talking about two different kind of houses. First one is new house and second one is old house. दोनों house के बीच में आपको चॉइस दिया जा रहा है, आपको पूछा जा रहा है क्या वो न्यू हाउस है या ओल्ड हाउस है. So when you are talking about the choice, your obvious choice will be or. Definitely you are quite confident about this particular selection because you were left with no other choice without selecting or. So going through the option, I am finding in option C it is written or. So the correct answer, obviously it should be or. So we have solved 10 different kind of questions related to the selection of conjunction. One question I have thrown at you that you just think it out and you are the one who is going to solve it out. Okay, I'm pretty sure that you have enjoyed the entire session, and if there is any kind of confusion still left in your mind, you can go through the session once again, videos, and you will be quite sure that yes, what the categories should be depending on the selection of conjunction. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. Have a great time.